to Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, everyone. Where the local time is approximately 6:55. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. This will be your only indication that it is safe for you to get up and move about the cabin to retrieve your belongings. Please use caution when opening and closing overhead bins as bags may have shifted. In flight and during landing. At this time, you are permitted to use your cell phones and other handheld electronic devices, but please keep your personal computers off and in the carry-on luggage at this time. For those of you who have close connections or are making connections here in Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, once again, there will be a uniformed Delta representative meeting this flight. However, if you would like the most up-to-date information regarding your connection, you can use any scan-and-go kiosk located throughout the terminal. As I said before, just scan your boarding pass there, and it will print out your next connecting flight or meal or travel vouchers if they apply to your reservation. If you would like to speak with a representative on the phone, you may call the number listed in the back of Sky Magazine on page 124. And always, if you need additional assistance, please seek uniformed Delta representatives located throughout the terminal. As always, it's a real pleasure having you on board this afternoon. And we sincerely apologize on behalf of the entire Delta family for our late arrival. We hope it has not inconvenienced you too much. If your future travel plans call for air travel, we hope that once again you select Delta Airlines. On behalf of your Salt Lake City-based pilots and your New York City-based in-flight crew, I sincerely hope you have a pleasant evening here in the Atlanta metro area or wherever your travel adventures may take you. Please remember to drive safely, wear your seatbelt at all times, and try to recycle whenever possible. Thank you again for choosing Delta. Have a pleasant evening. Enjoy Super Bowl Sunday. Go Giants, and welcome to Atlanta.